So a buddy of mine, Dave, he's got a Camaro for sale. It's right here in this garage. I think we need to check it out. Maybe even go for a test drive. At least fire it up. So let me know what you think about it. I know what I think about it. So a buddy of mine, Dave, he's got a Camaro for sale. It's right here in this garage. I think we need to check it out. Maybe even go for a test drive. At least fire it up. So let me know what you think about it. I know what I think about it. And if you're wondering, those are 255 6015s. That's on the back. And then on the front, 155 8015s. And here's where the exhaust dumps out. A couple of Flowmasters. So I've got this Camaro all covered back up. And Dave, he has another Camaro, an orange 1969 with white racing stripes. It is super nice. Let me show it to you. Hang on. No, not this one. The real one. Dave also has a 69 Camaro. No, not the Bug. In the trailer. Let me open the door for you. Wait till you see this one. RS Z28 1969 Hugger orange, white racing stripes. If you are wondering about the front tires, 165 R15. He's got the gauges. He's got the tachometer. If you're curious about the back tires, these are 275 60/15s. I don't think we're going to fire this one up inside the trailer. Might shake the trailer to pieces. I guess it's time to close it up. Come back sometime when he's got it out. Maybe go for a ride in it. And of course, the keys had to be in it. We're inside the trailer, inside the car. It's going to be loud. And by the way, cold start.